Towards the end of the Mesolithic age, certain changes had begun in the life of early humans. The Neolithic age is considered to have lasted from 8000 to 4000 BCE. The beginning of Neolithic age shows a remarkable change in the life of humans. In this age, the most important development was when they learned to cultivate their own food. So this chapter is about the first farmers and herders. So in this chapter we will learn about the Neolithic age, domestication of animals, brick making, discovery and importance of wheel, development of the potter's wheel, pottery and tools, way of life, their occupations, weaving and painting, dwelling, religion, and the case study on Deojali Heading and Mehergarh. So now let us learn about the Neolithic age, in which the early humans, they were hunter-gatherers, but they became the food producers during this period. The Neolithic age is considered to have lasted from 8000 to 4000 BCE. In this age, the most important development was when they learned to cultivate their own food. They also learned to use the plough to prepare the land for sowing the seeds. They began cultivating wheat, barley, and rice. The knowledge of cultivation reduced their need to wander from place to place in search of food. They started to lead a settled life and began to live in places which were near rivers and lakes. With this, dependence on hunting reduced as agriculture provided them with a good supply of food. Now, in this map, we can see some of the sites of the Neolithic age. Burzahum in Kashmir, Mehergarh in Pakistan, Deojali Heading is in Assam. Now let us learn about the domestication of animals held the early humans during the Neolithic age. Humans slowly started the domestication of animals like dog, sheep, goat and cattle. It is believed that the first animal to be tamed was the dog. Dogs help them in protecting their crops. It is thought that dogs started living close to humans to eat the leftover meat. Their tendency to bark on approach of any animal or person made humans recognize their usefulness as watchdogs. The goat and sheep provided them with milk and wool. Ox were used for transportation. Now let us know about brick making. Humans must have learned from some fire accident that if wet clay was kept in fire, it strengthened and retained its shape. No one knows how and when the wheel was discovered. Somebody must have observed that a round block of wood was much easier to move than a square block. A rolling log or a piece of wood possibly made him understand that this could be a great help to move things rather than drag them over the earth's surface. This must have led to the invention of the wheel. The invention of the wheel is considered as one of the biggest inventions in the human history. It made it easy for people to move logs from one place to another. It helped them create carts and move loads easily. This also led to the making of pottery for cooking and storing food. Now let us learn about the development of the potter's wheel. There was a need to make pots to store water and food. Shaping mud into a pot required a block of wet clay which had to be made hollow from inside. They probably kept the clay on an unused wheel to help rotate the clay block. This possibly led to the art of making pottery. These clay pots made by early humans were baked to make them strong. Woven baskets and pits in the ground have been found. Now let's have a look on the tools of the Neolithic period. Tools of the Neolithic age were better than the tools of the earlier Stone Age. They were given a finer edge and started to get handles. Now there are some examples of the tools with their uses. Axes were used to clear the land for cultivation, which was the most important development. Pestle and mortar were used for grinding grains. Sickle was used for harvesting. Weighted digging sticks were used for digging the ground. Arrows were used for hunting. Tools made of bones of animals, which were mainly used in fishing. Now let us know about the way of life of the people of the Neolithic age. With leading a more settled life brought about several other changes in lives of human beings. Since they did not have to worry about finding food all the time, they had time to do other things. This helped them to start forming small communities which gradually grew into villages. Now let us learn about the different occupations done by the people of the Neolithic period. People in this period engaged in farming, hunting, fishing, pottery making, weaving, dyeing of clothes. Weaving. In this age, people learned to make baskets and slowly learned to weave clothes. They must have observed the birds weaving their nest and must have got the idea from there. Painting. Painting were done on the stones or walls of caves, and these depict their emotions. Scenes of hunting, dancing, processions, and so on have been found on the walls of caves. Let us know about the dwellings of the Neolithic age. Dwelling means the houses in which the early humans lived. In the Neolithic age, people began to live in thatched huts or pit houses. Some pit houses were built with logs and stones and bricks depending on their availability. Many tribes continued to live in the jungles and remained hunter-gatherers. Religion. They began to worship the forces of nature like sky, rain, wind, and sun as gods. Early humans were scared of lightning and thunder. They must have suffered from fire, storms, and lightning and heavy rains, and they did not know the actual cause for these natural phenomena. They hoped to appease them and believe that these forces will not harm them if they are worshipped. What is Chalcolithic period? The period between 4000 to 2000 BCE is known as the Chalcolithic period. This is the period when it is believed humans started to use metal. Copper is considered to be the first metal to be used by people. The Chalcolithic period is thus the period when both copper and stone were brought into use by humans. Now, here is a description about the Deoghali heading. Deoghali heading is located in the Tezpur district of Assam. Signs of human settlements of the Neolithic age were found here along the Brahmaputra valley. The excavations from this region have shown stone tools of different shapes. The peculiar shapes were those of broad cutting edges, wedge blades, and grooved hammer stones. The excavation at Deoghali heading yielded pottery of grayish color, depicting basket and cord impressions on the outer surface. Other stone use was seen in the form of corn crushers, pestles, etc. Jadeite stone was also found there. Here is the case study of Mehergarh. It was an early civilization in the northwest part of India. It is one of the most important Neolithic sites which was discovered in 1974. It is located near the Bolan Pass, which lies to the west of Indus River. Evidence of growing wheat and barley have been found. Various burials have been found where a number of things like tools, ornaments, beads, bangles have been recovered, which show they believed in life after death. Pottery and button like seals were also found. Copper items and ornaments were used during this time. They are also found. Customs and beliefs. It is believed that the customs included burial of the dead in many parts. The combined burial of human and goats indicates that they believed in a journey after death when the person would need food.